Izoba rya nyuma abazyo urukwebembera karura habwa Fortportal City ayakire ballot boxes ziri kwingana 19 Oburuuru obwaterwa izoberi arukugambaho n'abanyamakuru urukwebembere bya karuru ahabwo rembo rwa Fortportal Isaac Byamugisha yashobora kwa karuru kayemerezebwa bwa nyuma yo kushangazwa ha ballot papers tawire kandi zitari ahal polling stations ezishikire.
Today at Fortportal City the polling materials reached on time. But unfortunately, we had a few incidences in some polling stations where the female councillor, forming 1/3, they received ballots that were not in order. They were not the correct ballots for those polling stations.
Byamugisha nagira ngo bayemereza karuru aka North Division upper erukushangwa omu North Division kandi Central West hamwe na Central South eza Central Division Fortportal ahabwa polling stations ziri kwingana 15.
Central Division West, Central Division South and North Division upper. That is Kagote Ward, Chibimba Ward, Nyakabura, Nyabukara Ward, Rengoma Ward, Baza Ward, Kasusu, Chijanju, and Karago Ward, Kazingo, Chiguma, Ibonde Ward, Chitarasa Ward, Nyakitojo, Chitaka, and Mandako. All those wards, polling stations that are found in those wards, their election for female councillor has been stopped.
Ebyo bikiri aho bamwe habese imbere abataterwa karureri izoba hamwe n'abatezi bakaruru omurembo Fortportal bayireko butashemerwa bwabo ahabwa bakwebembera karuru ahanshongeje.
Bange kiro kinu I'm so much disappointed. Habo kuba abakomi bange bona babaira bali ready kunkoma abantu ni baruga polling stations ni bagamba ntusera kempeta ballot kempeta abuzire so timanyire electoral commission nanko kugenda kuhandling ekintu kinu abokuba we have spent a lot of money to spending sente nyingi tusaswire ba agents stationary
disappointments is a man muno, especially it was disappointed with EC Komhimbo Josephine abantu bamukama nyewe be disappointed muno habo kuba mbere nyina abakomi bange banyetekaniriza obusinguzi nyeteza kujubiletinga akaruru kanuna akaseta woman councillor Central West.
Twizira hano koma twasanga entebemu ya female city councillor Central West Oburuuru balesere tanubwo bw'abantu bitu abatwizire koma balesere instead Oburuuru obwa Central East kandi twetwize koma abembezi bitu aba female city councillor Central West yeja aba isi Oburuuru balesere babutwara abantu bengi ni bakagusaba abembezi baba bezire koma
ahanshonge ndije izoba abantu bakene bayetabo mu karuru aho bamwe bakijumira
mbenyenda koma ngende kora bindi nabanza nalinda for over 1 hour kurura abantu 10 bahika niko koma kwatandika mu karuru akahwera ka president abantu bakabali mu nkara bengi muno. Even they were pushing each other to go and vote. But sazinu na betukubaliza enkara tiziroho abantu 10 bamaze koma abandi tibakayizira.
So gukutera akaruru akarungi nkaleta obuherezo burungi. Akarungi nkaleta nkurakurana. Betu hato tutandika kwanga ngo banza bante mwaka transport babanza bante mukinu na kinu nukwengende nkome. I think ekintu kibikandi kutwara maiso.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki omuri Fortportal ahabwa Tayari West.